Hello students, welcome to the E-class of computer. Today we'll study the co-curricular activity part 2. This activity consists of a mixture of questions from the previous chapters which we have already studied. Let's move ahead with the questions. The very first question is, what do you mean by clip art? A ready-made picture gallery in MS Word is known as clip art. That means a picture gallery which is already there in Microsoft Word, that is known as clip art. Question number 2. What do you mean by slide? A slide refers to a page in a slideshow. Just like the pages of our copy in a slideshow, slide is a page. Now question number 3. What is the meaning of Scratch programming? Scratch is a free visual programming language developed to help simplify the process of creating and programming animations, games, music, interactive stories and more. So this also you have previously studied, that Scratch refers to a programming language and it is free visual programming language. The motive of this language is to help the students to create and program the animations, music, games and interactive stories and even other things. Now question number 4. Define shapes. Shapes are the form of the outer edges. Here we are talking about those shapes which are visible in Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. Next question, question number 5. Define motion. Moves sprites and changes angles and X and Y values. Motion is taken from the chapter Scratch programming, and the meaning of motion or the function of motion is to move the sprite and change its angles. Now question number 6. When do we use variables? We use variables to store values and to create efficient scripts. The use of variables is to store the values and to create efficient script. Efficient means which is worth, which is effective. Such type of scripts are being created by variables. Now moving on towards question number 7. Match the following. In this, some of the shortcut keys are given and we are supposed to match those shortcut keys with their functions. The very first one is page down. Page down, the function is moving on towards the next slide. Then control plus end, it moves us towards the end of the presentation. Control plus M, the function is to add a new slide to our presentation. Page up, it brings us to the previous slide of the presentation. Control home, this shortcut key moves us towards the beginning of the presentation. And the last one, F5, this key starts the slideshow. This key helps us in starting the slideshow. I hope you must have understood the shortcut keys and their functions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.